Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going for this peachy, purpley, smoky eye look. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Today I started out with my brows and I'm just filling them in with my MAC Fluid Line Brow Gel Cream, and I'm using actually an Essence little cheap angled brush to do that. And then I'm going to prime my eyelids with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and blend it out with my Morphe sponge. I'm also just carving out my brows with the same concealer and using my Sonia Kashuk number 31 brush. I'm going to set that concealer with my RCMA No Color Powder, and I'm using my Mikasa F120 brush to do so. Today I'm using my Tarteist Pro palette, and I'm going to start with my transition shade. This is the shade Pro Fresh, and I'm using my Morphe M513 to blend that out. I'm taking the shade Fierce and I'm deepening up my crease just a little bit with my Morphe M514 brush. For my outer corner, I'm taking the shade Vamp and I'm just packing that on using my Mikasa E310 brush. For the lid shade, I'm taking my Makeup Geek shadows. One is called In the Spotlight, that's the peachier shade, and then the other cream color is Starry Eyed. I like to mix these two together and spray them with MAC Fix Plus on my Ulta shadow brush, and that just makes it super pigmented and easy to blend out on the lid. For my wing, I'm going in with my NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and this is my all-time favorite liquid liner ever, and it's super, super affordable. To clean up that wing just a little bit, I'm taking that same concealer brush and the same Shape Tape concealer and just cleaning up under that line. I'm just going in with my eyelash curler before I do the rest of my face just to lift them up just a little bit. For primer, I'm going in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Minimizing Primer. I'm trying something new today to test out the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in the shade Celestial, and I'm just blending that out with my Kirkland brand stippling brush. The whole point in trying this out was to see if it actually does make your foundation a little bit more luminous, and I found that it actually made my foundation extremely cakey. For foundation, I went in with my Kat Von D Lock-It Tattoo foundation, and this is one of my favorites. It's extremely smoothing, but it's not extremely long wearing. It didn't record me putting it on at first, but I did put a little bit on to cover some redness on my cheeks. And then I went in with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and I'm just using that same exact Sonia Kashuk number 31 concealer brush for that as well. For cream contour, I went in with my Hoola Quickie Contour Stick, and I'm going to blend that out with my Morphe Y9 brush. To set everything, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just taking that on my same Morphe sponge that I just blended everything out with, and I'm just packing that on. This really prevents creasing, and I find that it makes my foundation last a whole lot longer throughout the day. For cream highlight, I went back in with the Cover FX Custom Enhancer drops, and I found that this was such a pain. I put it on my sponge because I wanted it to blend out better, or I put it on my face first and then went to blend it out, and it just got so cakey and patchy right there, right where I keep trying to blend it out. So I am not a huge fan of these. I need to figure out how to use them because they're literally $42 and that is not worth it. They're extremely drying and I don't like that either. So here I was trying to put some translucent powder on it to maybe kind of, you know, blend it out a little bit more, but it really did not do anything. So I'm super disappointed with those, but we'll figure it out. And then for bronzer, I'm going in with my Urban Studios blush brush and taking my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. And then I'm just deepening up my cheekbones with my Anastasia contour kit and taking those two lightest shades. And this is my Morphe M530 brush. For blush, I'm going in with my MAC Spellbinder. And this is the cutest peachy shade and goes perfect with this eye look. In efforts to redeem my highlight, I took my Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit and took my favorite shade, Starburst, and I just placed that on the highest points of my face using my Morphe M510 brush. To set my face, I'm just going to drench it in my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Going back to the eyes, we're going to go in with the shade Pro Fresh one more time, and I'm taking that on my Mikasa E230 brush, and I'm just smoking out the lower lash. And then I'm gonna take that darker shade Fierce on my Sonia Kashuk pencil brush and just put that on the very outer corner of my lower lash. And then to highlight my inner corner and brow bone, I'm taking the Carly Bybel Deluxe palette and just taking that white highlight shade to do so. This is just on a little tiny lip pencil brush. And then for mascara, I'm taking my L'Oreal Lash Paradise, of course, on my top lashes. And then for my lower lash, my Pixie Lower Lash Mascara. For lips, I wanted to do a peachy nude lip, and I'm taking my MAC lipstick in the shade Flesh Pot and my Buxom Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade White Russian. This is the finished look. This is one of my favorite looks. I created it a long time ago and I wear it all the time. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I would absolutely love it if you subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any future videos from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.